CBoys TV. Today we're going to be changing the muffler on my pit bike. As you guys know, we changed the decals, then we changed the carburetor. That's what it was. Now we're changing it a new muffler. Here is what the before sounds like. And now, at the end of the video, when the pipe's on, it's going to be the after. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, now we're going to take it apart and we're going to put the new exhaust on. Alright guys, we just got done taking the old exhaust off. Here it is. And then now we're going to straight pipe it. Alright, that sounds really good with the new muffler. Hopefully it sounds a little bit quieter. Alright, we're going right back into time lapse. Alright guys, we just got done putting the new exhaust on. It looks so much better. Yeah, this is the after now. Sounds much better. Alright guys, so that's wrapping up today's video. So, yeah, that's it. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, ChrisBell_TV. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.